Hello everyone, good morning all. How are you? Fine? Great. So class, now it's time to begin with our today's classes. So what we are going to do today? It's our English period, isn't it? Because today is Tuesday, yes, and on Tuesday we have our English period. So in English, I'm going to start again with alphabets. But this time we are going to begin with cursive alphabets, that is small alphabets, the one which we use in writing. Okay. So class, we have completed from alphabet A to Z capital, isn't it? Now tell me one thing, which alphabet is this? Can you tell me what I have written it? This is A, that is a apple, a ant, arrow. And when I was teaching you these alphabets, मैम ने आपको बताया था A says A. The sound is a apple. A says A, isn't it? Today we are going to start writing small a. This is your capital A. जब हम ये लिखते थे A, तो मैम ने आपको बोला था ना, we'll start from red line like this. We come down and we do it like this. ऐसे सीखा था हमने small capital A अपना. So this is your capital alphabet A. Today ma'am is going to teach you how to write small a. So A says A. A says A, है ना? अब this is the way we write small alphabets. Picture identification related to alphabets is all clear to you now, isn't it? आप सबको अच्छे से आती है how you have to identify picture related to given alphabet. अब हम क्या सीखेंगे? ये alphabet आपको पता है, ये capital है. You can identify different pictures related to this alphabet, but the sound is A. And when we are talking about sound, we are going to learn this small alphabet. And the small alphabet we are going to learn in cursive form. Cursive form उसको कहते हैं when we write in a flow. जब हम दो alphabets को जोड़ के लिखना सीख पाते हैं. अभी I am not teaching you how to join, but उस join करने के लिए एक alphabet की formation किस तरह से होनी चाहिए, we are going to learn that. So class, you have to be very much particular about these classes from now onwards. These cursive writing is going to be fruitful, or you can say is going to help you out in your next classes. क्योंकि अब आप जब सीख जाओगे, you have to write in cursive only. जब भी आपको अपना नेम लिखना है या कुछ भी लिखना है, जब हमारा अपना नेम लिखती है मम्मा आपकी बुक पे, आपने देखा उसमें बहुत सारे अल्फाबेट्स होते हैं, एक ही अल्फाबेट तो नहीं होता. लाइक माय नेम इज वानी, सो आई हैव 4 अल्फाबेट्स VANI, है ना. अब जब मैम अपना नेम लिखेंगी, आई राइट इट फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट कैपिटल, देन ANI. तो ANI तो कैपिटल नहीं लिखा ना, आई हैव रिटन दैट इन कर्सिव फॉर्म. सो ऐसे ही हमें जब भी कोई अल्फाबेट्स को जोड़ के वर्ड्स बनाने होते हैं, हम उन्हें कर्सिव फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. क्लियर? So today we are going to start how to write cursive alphabets. We are going to learn cursive formations now, and be very particular. Practice will be what you need require. Practice is what you will be requiring a lot. Understood? Lot of practice when you will do for these alphabets, आपकी सारी formations अच्छे से clear होंगी, तो आपकी writing भी बहुत beautiful होने वाली है. Okay? So let us see how we are going to write cursive A. Okay? First I am telling you here. ऐसे पहले एक छोटा सा हमें वेव लाइन बनानी है यहाँ तक, वापस से इसके ऊपर आएंगे like this. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, इस तरह से C बनाना आता है ना आप सबको. ये देखिए हम ऐसे C बनाते थे ना अपना. C से पहले हमें टेल स्टार्ट करनी है, ये टेल से स्टार्ट करना है हमें, उसके बाद विल गो अप, कम डाउन एंड लाइक दिस विल मेक अ स्टैंड। क्लियर? इसको देखो आपको क्या करना है, हमें ये दोनों तरफ एक छोटे से स्टैंड्स देने हैं ताकि हमारा अल्फाबेट एकदम सीधा खड़ा हो जाए। क्लियर? तो लेकिन आप लोग लिखते हो ऐसे ऐसे करके, ऐसे ऐसे, वो पूरी फॉर्मेशन खराब है। दिस इज रॉन्ग, दिस इज द रॉन्ग वे ऑफ फॉर्मिंग एनी लेटर। दिस फॉर्मेशन इज कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग, यू विल नॉट डू इट लाइक दिस। जल्दी जल्दी काम फिनिश नहीं करना है, आपको फॉर्मेशन सीखना है। पूरे दिन में अगर 1 पेज लिखते हैं कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आई हैव नो इश्यूज, यू कैन डू इट दैट वे, बट यू हैव टू लर्न द करेक्ट फॉर्मेशन, दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट। सो अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, ऐसे, नो डबल लाइन, अभी मैम की डबल लाइन आई, सो दिस इज रॉन्ग। सो व्हेन यू आर कमिंग बैक, बी वेरी स्लो लाइक दिस। Now I'll tell you how to write here. देखो, so these are the two blue lines. अब जब भी हम अपने small alphabets से start कर रहे हैं, we are going to start from the lower blue line. जब हमने capital start किए थे, आप हमेशा ऊपर वाली red line से लिखते थे. You used to start from here, but now when we are going to start with cursive small alphabets, यहाँ से start होगा जो ये वाली second blue line है. From here you are going to start your cursive alphabets. Clear? How you are going to do that? Like this, we go up, come down. जब down आएंगे तो इन दोनों lines को थोड़ा सा gap लेके करेंगे. Again go up and like this. Now see, this is how we have written our small cursive alphabet A. Clear? Once again I am telling you like this. और देखो पूरा अल्फाबेट जो है वो ब्लू लाइंस के बीच में है, वो ऊपर नहीं जा रहा, ना वो ब्लू लाइन के ऊपर जा रहा है ना नीचे जा रहा है. Nowhere it is touching the red line, nowhere it is crossing the blue lines. ब्लू लाइंस को भी क्रॉस नहीं करा ना, हमारे जो स्मॉल a है वो ब्लू लाइंस के बीच में ही आएगा बस. You will not go up, you will not come down. Clear? Again I am telling you like this. So this is something you can learn with lot of practice. Starting में मैम की भी बहुत गंदी writing थी, I am telling you. लेकिन I have practiced a lot with these formations. उसके बाद मैम को आई है. So you have to practice your formations. Is that clear to all? How you are going to do that? Multiple time you are going to practice it. I'll tell you once again. So see, अब जब हम इनके नेम लिखते हैं, this is arrow, A double R O W, arrow. See, पूरा कर्सिव लिखा है मैम ने. Now I'm writing ant. So सब में देखो मैम ने A को कैसे फॉर्म किया है. Now this is apple. Apple. Again see A. So this is how I have written A. कैसे लिखा? ऐसे. Clear? Like this. Understood everyone? Now let's see how to do this work in your book work today first. So class, now what you have to do, from today onwards we are going to do work in my second book of English. पहले we were doing work in first book na. Now you all will take out your second book of English. Clear? So this is the book in which we are going to do small alphabets. So open your second book of English on page number 20. So book page number 20 and 22. So when you will open these two pages, I'll just show you. On page number 20, you have a formation of alphabet A, and with that you have to see how capital and small a are there. Then you have to circle the things that are with alphabet A. Clear? This is one work you are going to do. Then on next page, page number 22. See here, you have the formation practice of alphabet A. Don't do this B, only you have to do this A practice. Is that clear? You are going to write it like this as I have told you in the cursive way. Clear? So page number 20, you have to identify the pictures of alphabet A. A says A, the sound is A. Clear? You have to circle the things that begins with alphabet A, and on page number 22, you will practice the formation of alphabet A in book. That is your today's class work. So all this is your today's class work. Your homework is you are going to practice the formation in notebook. How you are going to do that, I'll just show you. Okay? So open your notebook also. Now class, let's see how we are going to write cursive A in our notebook. Clear? So here take a help from your parents. They can draw some pictures like this and write the name as I have already done in the notebook. So draw a page like this, and after that we will start the work. How? First we are going to write our today's date. So can anyone tell me what is the date today? I just told you in the beginning. Yes, it is 13th October 2020. है ना? And this is your class work. So we will write CW. Clear? Now class, see how we are going to write. Capital A. ये आपको पता है, आप इसे identify कर सकते हैं. Now if we are writing small, now we are going to start writing cursive alphabets. And A says A. A apple. A arrow. A axe. है ना? So what you are going to do? You are going to draw these pictures or any picture of alphabet A and color it beautifully. You have to color it also. ठीक है? सुंदर सुंदर कलर करेंगे बाद में. First let's see how we are going to start. Now when you are going to start the small alphabet, again we'll start with a dot. देखो ये dot मैम ने आज कहाँ लगाई है? ब्लू लाइन पे. जब हम कैपिटल लेटर्स लिखते थे, we put a dot on red line ना. But now when we are going to begin our small alphabets, lowercase alphabets, we'll put a dot on blue line. ठीक है? अब see carefully how you are going to do. यहाँ से first you will go up. Sorry, blue line में ही करना है हमें work. Sorry class. So see this dot. अब इसको क्या करना है? हमें ऐसे ऊपर जाके यहाँ पे सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन से एक C बनाना है छोटा सा. ठीक है? And after that we will join it like this. Now see how you are going to write. Come back, go up and like this. I know थोड़ा सा टाइम लेगा ये आपको सीखने में, but if you will practice you will learn. See again I am telling you like this. पहले एक स्मॉल सी बनाया ऐसे और ऐसे. अंडरस्टूड? सी अगेन. देखो यहाँ से एक छोटी सी टेल निकाली हमने और ऊपर हमने सी बना दिया. ये स्मॉल सी हो गया. ऐसे आपको कैपिटल सी बनाना आता है ना, उसी को हमने सिर्फ ब्लू लाइंस में किया. नाउ गो अप. यहाँ से इसको टच करा एंड कम बैक अगेन लाइक दिस. यू विल राइट योर कर्सिव अल्फाबेट ए. अब एज आई टोल्ड यू कि जब हम कैपिटल अल्फ़ाबेट्स लिखते हैं, सो वी डोंट टच दिस रेड लाइन नीचे वाला, है ना? वी डोंट टच दैट ना. नाउ अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग दीज स्मॉल अल्फ़ाबेट्स, दे शुड कम ओनली बिटवीन द टू ब्लू लाइन्स. आप देख रहे हो मैम का कोई भी अल्फ़ाबेट ना तो ऊपर गया है ब्लू लाइन से और ना ही वो नीचे आया है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू राइट. Let's see once again how we will write it. Like this we are going to write cursive alphabet A. ऐसे यहाँ से go up, come down like this. Understood? This is how you are going to do your today's homework. Okay class? So what is this? This is your today's homework. By mistake we have written CW. It's your HW because bookwork is your today's classwork. Okay? Understood? Complete this page of alphabet A. Try to write it slowly, but please focus on the formation. फॉर्मेशन का आपको ध्यान रखना है. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, देखिए ये लाइक दिस, लेकिन आपको पेंसिल रिमूव नहीं करनी है. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर, गो अप, एक छोटा सा कर्व बनाओ, फिर नीचे आके एंड लाइक दिस. दिस इज हाउ वी डू. अंडरस्टूड? Clear class? See, as I have written whole, you are also going to write for the whole page. And after writing your alphabet, you have to color these pictures also. Clear all? Class, you have understood how we are going to do our today's book work and notebook work. So whenever you are practicing this writing, when you are doing this work, do it slowly. I am saying it again and again because जब आप उसको slowly formation पे ध्यान देंगे, when you are writing slowly, जब आपको work complete नहीं करना है, don't just complete it, you have to learn it. Okay? Finish नहीं करना है बेटा. Why I am giving a lot of stress on cursive writing? अगर आपको अपनी writing beautiful बनानी है, this is the time where you have to start practicing now. As we are starting with cursive writing, आपको बहुत ध्यान से informations को देखना है and practice करनी है. Clear? So just do your work slowly. Focus on the formation. एक के ऊपर एक line बहुत बार आ रही है. Again I am telling you, just see. जब हम A लिख रहे हैं, हम पहले ऊपर जा रहे हैं, same line पे we are coming back again. So when you are coming back on the same line, आपको यहाँ पे ऐसे double line नहीं बनानी है. No, not like this. ऐसे बनानी होती है. तो when you are doing, ये देखो, ये जब gap यहाँ से आ जाता है, ये wrong हो जाता है. It should be like this. Clear? तो जब आप slowly करोगे ये formation, तो वो आपको अच्छे से समझ में भी आएगी and you will get a habit of writing it in that way. Okay? So finish नहीं करना है work, learn करना है आपको. This is the time you have to put in more efforts now. So keep practicing your alphabets, and when you are writing, always write one letter as I have written in the notebook. I have just shown you. Once write the capital alphabet also, so that you can remember that this A and this A is same. मतलब this is capital and this is small a. तो ये दोनों letters के साथ same pictures हमें associate करनी है. Okay class? Bye for now. Do your work and keep practicing cursive formation again and again. Okay? Bye. Take care.